Your partner should complete you. Emphasizing this thing, yung completion, parang it's a red flag for me. I don't want anybody to complete me. I want to be whole na as a person bago ako pumasok sa partnership, marriage, and my child. Ayoko yung maghahanap ako ng someone bubuin yung puzzle ko. Imagine how difficult it's going to be for that person na bubuin niya ako. And let's say babuo niya ako in the beginning for whatsoever reason. Mawawala din yun kasi magiging empty na naman ako. Magiging kulang na naman yung puzzle ko. Let's say, ikasal kami. Then, sa anak ko naman hahanapin yung completion na yun. Wala pa nga kaalam-alam yung anak. Ang laki na burden dala niya na dapat mabuo niya ako. This is why, at 34, I'm still choosing to trust my timeline and believe that whatever is for me will come at the right time and hindi ko kailangan madaliin, hindi ko kailangan maging desperate.